the Achilles heel of atheism, evolution and abiogenesis. Atheism often leans heavily on two key concepts, evolution and abiogenesis. These theories aim to explain the complexity of life without invoking a divine creator. But beneath the surface, they face significant scientific challenges. Today, we'll explore why intelligent design, grounded in empirical evidence, offers a more compelling and scientific explanation. The implausibility of abiogenesis. Abiogenesis proposes that life sprang spontaneously from non-living matter. But despite decades of research, there's no proven mechanism to explain this leap. Let's consider the key issues. 1. The law of biogenesis. Louis Pasteur showed us that life comes only from life. The idea that life emerged from non-living chemicals violates this fundamental principle. 2. The complexity of the simplest cell. Even the simplest self-replicating cell, Mycoplasma genitalium, contains hundreds of genes and intricate instructions. What are the odds of a single functional protein forming by chance? A staggering 1 in 10 with 450 zeros. 3. Statistical probability. Mathematician Fred Hoyle famously compared the chance of life forming randomly to a tornado assembling a Boeing 747 in a junkyard. 4. Thermodynamics and information theory. Nature tends toward disorder. The precise coding in DNA, far from random, points unmistakably to an intelligent source. Evolution's flawed foundations. Evolution, often celebrated for explaining diversity, falls short in addressing biological complexity. Key issues include 1. Irreducible. Complexity. Systems like the bacterial flagellum require all parts to function. Gradual evolution can't explain these structures. 2. Fossil record gaps. The fossil record contradicts Darwin's predictions, showing abrupt appearances of complex life, especially in the Cambrian explosion. 3. Genetic entropy. Mutations degrade genetic information over time. Geneticist John Sanford's research reveals that mutations lead to a net loss, not improvement of information. 4. Statistical impossibilities. What are the odds of a new beneficial protein interaction arising randomly? 1 in 10 with 20 zeros. Virtually impossible. The scientific case for intelligent design. Intelligent design doesn't rely on gaps in knowledge. It's grounded in observable science. Key arguments include 1. Specified complexity. DNA isn't random. It's a highly specific code that demands an intelligent source. 2. Fine-tuning of the universe. Physicist Roger Penrose calculated the odds of our universe's fine-tuned conditions at 1 in 10 with 120 zeros, a number so large it defies imagination. 3. Empirical evidence of design. We see evidence of engineering beyond human capability, from biomimicry to molecular machines. 4. Irreducible complexity. Systems like the bacterial flagellum and human eye only make sense when viewed as purposeful designs. Something from nothing akin? The concept of life, or the universe arising from nothing, defies logic and evidence. The probability of the universe's fine-tuned conditions occurring naturally, 1 in 10 with 500 zeros, virtually impossible. Abiogenesis experiments like the Miller-Urey test have failed to bridge the gap from inorganic matter to life. The multiverse hypothesis, often invoked to explain fine-tuning, remains untestable and unscientific. Conclusion. Intelligent design as the best explanation. Abiogenesis and evolution fail to meet their own scientific standards. Intelligent design provides a coherent, testable framework. It identifies markers of design in nature. It aligns with principles like information theory and thermodynamics. And it explains the universe's complexity far better than chance or naturalistic scenarios. The evidence points unmistakably to an intelligent source. The question isn't whether life was designed, it's whether we'll acknowledge the designer.